Listen, we got the emergency.
Hey guys, so I was in the highway and my brake literally fell off the hinges. Check this out.
Because I couldn't just order a bolt for that. It was
While I
for
was
the
in the
alarm.
highway. So the guys are trying to fix it now.
Let me just see something. Oh, you know what? It's a little too small. A little too small. Yeah, just hit the switch on the bottom when you plug in.
Small, what do you mean small?
My plug's there. What do you have, iPhone?
Is it too small for the hole?
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not
And
thick.
then hit the button on it.
It's not thick enough.
Oh, you are the man. That's what
Yo, but wait, use it
I love him. I just love him, and he lives right down the block from me too.
to hold it.
He
Yeah.
is the best.
Listen, I really figured out the problem. I was ready to screw that in.
Oh, now you want to hustle it. All right, all right.
You know what I mean? If it wasn't for this thing, me and him. No,
Just tape and I'll fix anything.
I want to bend it.
Here it is.
All right, get it through first and thread it a little. But let's line it up so I can get zip ties. Right there, right there.
Just to hold it.
Right there.
No.
And put it up a little bit
Hold on,
so
hold
it
on.
holds it.
Just got out here and shit. I was in my house all day sleeping.
Oh, you had a washer too? I have them.
Oh, he got everything. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me see that screwdriver.
Say hello from everybody.
Damn, you got everything. Listen, we cannot go on a ride without him. I'm sorry. If he's not going,
I told you, Jose's the man. I tell everyone. Now you're good to get home. You don't even need zip ties. Good number 10.
I can still use it, right?
Just use it lightly. You could use it. You could use it.
You know what that screw is for? Your battery.
Oh my God, I gotta give my baby a hug.
Now you're good now. You could use this
Yeah.
with the rear. So brake like you normally brake, but not heavy.
So this is how we're going to end the motorcycle saga.
I know.
All right.
I hang out there all the
Boys, this is my baby right here.
Chilling or
to the city.
you gonna take a run?